Virtual reality VR is a computer generated simulation of an environment that can be interacted with in a seemingly real or physical way by a person using special electronic equipment such as a VR headset, gloves, or controllers. VR technology allows users to experience and interact with three-dimensional environments and objects in a realistic and immersive way. Key components of virtual reality include head-mounted display (HMD). This is typically a headset worn by the user that contains screens for each eye, creating a stereoscopic 3D effect. The HMD tracks the user's head movements and adjusts the display accordingly to create the illusion of being in a virtual environment. Tracking system VR systems use various tracking methods to monitor the user's movements and translate them into the virtual environment. This tracking can be done using external sensors, cameras, or inside out tracking systems built into the headset itself. Input devices. These devices allow users to interact with the virtual environment. They can include handheld controllers, gloves with sensors, or even full body tracking suits, depending on the level of immersion required. Software and content. VR experiences are created using specialized software and content designed for virtual reality environments. This can include games, simulations, educational experiences, training programs, and more. Immersive audio along with visual elements. Sound plays a crucial role in creating a sense of immersion in virtual reality. Spatial audio techniques are used to simulate sounds coming from different directions and distances, enhancing the feeling of presence in the virtual environment. Virtual reality technology has applications across various industries, including gaming, entertainment, education, healthcare, architecture, military training, and more. It allows users to explore new worlds, learn new skills, simulate dangerous or expensive scenarios, and communicate and collaborate in virtual spaces, regardless of physical distance. Thank you.